my GoCam in the box. Mikey checking out his brand new umbrella hat on this rainy day. On a rainy day, trying to feed some rabbits. Here, film for me, Mikey.
Coco.
Yeah, watch your fingers, so you gotta watch out. Check out some turkeys.
Daddy!
Cat underneath my feet. Oh. So what we got in there? Oh. Them little pigs. Shut that door, Mikey. Now these little pigs like corn. Sorry, I got the Go camera, trying to protect it from the weather. I opened it up a little bit, maybe y'all can see. Check out that hog.
Hey, doing pumpkin. Hey, happy pumpkin. Hey, pumpkin. You doing good pumpkin? Hey, happy pumpkin. Happy pumpkin.
Hog Go cam. Let's go. Give y'all a Potbelly Pig view. Aw, them pigs. They're about the size of rabbits.
What you doing, yeah?
Want to fight each other?
Hey, happy pumpkin. Hey, pumpkin.
Watch how they kind of argue a little bit. That is so cute.
Baby, you
gotta love it.
Baby,
Yep. That is awesome, ain't it? Yep. We even got peace and love in the new Potbelly Pig pen, but they're gonna fight for it. They're in their V formation, taking turns going up and challenging the middleman.
The top one. The top. There's your mommy right there.
That's probably some good footage to get there.
That one's your mommy? Yeah, the smallest.
We got those cute things. We got them temporary in the possum pen. Check that out.
Hey, happy pumpkin.
And there's the other guy.
Hey, pumpkin.
Let's see what he's doing. What are you doing? What are you doing in there?
Hey, pumpkin.
Okay, we're going to move along to the turkey pen now. What? Are you trying to get a squeak out of
Your mommy?
Oh, you get a squeak? Can you squeal like a pig?
No.
Squeal like a pig.
He's doing it.
Squeal like a pig. I said squeal. All right, that's how pigs squeal. I'm gonna put this back in the container, but I'll leave it cracked a little bit so we can move on to the turkey pen. Come on. Come on, son, with your umbrella hat. All right, shut the door, you're missing it. Run. Bumblebee tuna. Bumblebee tuna. Mikey, run, Forrest. Run. Now we're at the turkey pen. We need some turkey food. Look at these beautiful things. Get the Go camera out of here. Oh, them baby turkeys. Oh, they'll let you pet them a little bit. Come here, Mikey. Come here, Mikey. Look, people. Here is what we look forward to every day. Yeah, beautiful hen. Chicken egg is, yeah. Okay. Mikey, we're gonna collect some eggs. Mikey put them beautiful eggs in his pocket. Look how beautiful them eggs are, people. When you live on a farm, or you can make any place like a farm. You get farm fresh eggs. I just busted one, but there's no sense in crying over a spilled egg. We can always cook that with some grits, huh, son? Yeah. Hold that one in your hand so it don't break more. We get these. Here, put some in that pocket. Let's see, we got some over here. And here's some more. There were some beautiful eggs, people. Look at that. It just don't get no better than that. You got food for them?
Hey, Bumblebee China.
You go get some, please?
Daddy, Bumblebee China, Daddy.
Like some of that booster. Booster. Yep. Okay, I'll see you tuna. See tuna? Yep. Look at this chicken here. Ain't that a cool looking rooster? Got some feathers on him. Hey, babies. Oh, baby. I know. Turkeys are so cool. I love them. Oh. Yep, they love their little ladder too. Look at him. He's coming back for some more. Trying to get some love.
Hey, let me touch you better. Oh, I can grab you better.
Oh, yeah, I've been wanting to do an update on here. This is well, it ain't really it ain't a turkey care sheet, but the way we care for our turkeys, we got this water thing, any kind of pen that'll allow you to have a roost, a laying area for laying eggs.
What are you trying to do?
Hey, there's an egg over there. You get that egg over there. Get that egg over there. Any of them, and just pet them every now and then, and let them know that you care for them and stuff. Let me see. We got these this feeder here, a hanging feeder so they can eat. Whenever they hear something loud, they just start gobbling like crazy.
Hey, look, that
Don't drop them.
Look, that one got a little tiny head, Daddy.
Turkey cam. These are the hens. These are the hens. I think this one's checking me out. Like, I mean, he's got that loving feeling in his eye.
Daddy, that little tiny head one, Daddy.
Yep.
That little tiny head, Daddy.
Yep. These are absolutely BEA usable things. Okay, we got these bourbon red turkeys. Yeah, I was requesting a turkey care sheet, but let's see, we're feeding them rooster booster, whole corn, but they don't like whole corn. So this is the rooster booster's kind of cracked. There's more in there, and they really enjoy that.
Mommy.
See that?
Mommy.
Oh, Sarah, why are you leaving that open? Don't chase it down. Oh, we got to say, hey, Hannah, stop right now. We got a situation here. Mikey, stand here. Stand over here. Don't let nothing else out. Stand right here at the door. Stand over here at the door. Don't let him out. I got to get that other turkey in or we're going to lose it. Stand there. Don't let him out. I got to walk her back into her pen. Go into your pen, baby. Go into your pen. When you have a turkey get out, we try to herd it back. Herd it back in there with the other ones. And she goes right pretty much back in there. Help me. I need some help, please. Pretty much back in there. All right, shut that gate, please, for me so I can finish filming. Somebody's wanting some Frankenbird today. All right, where was we? Oh yes, they got that. All these Tommy T's have their have that loving feeling in their eye, and the hens are eating. Let me see if I can get some close-ups for y'all. There's nothing like seeing these beautiful creatures eat. They are. Yeah, baby, I know. They remind me of raptors. Look at their claws and their heads and the way they act. They're like little dinosaurs.
That's fluffy, Daddy.
Yeah, baby. I know. And then when you get them eating, you can kind of reach out for them sometimes. They'll go away. Sometimes they'll stay. And I like to squat down by my turkeys. Squat down, Mikey. Yeah, and just stay still for a minute. Stay still for a minute because you're putting a lot of pressure on them. See how they're ganging up? So, and then you can reach out and touch them every now and then. And that'll get them accustomed to you being around close to them and keep them calm because turkeys can be bad. I've had some mean turkeys. Some really mean turkeys, actually. But, yeah, we really enjoy these. Guys, we got the smaller chicken tractor out there, which is our bantams or bannies. Yankees call them bantams, and the Southerners, or whatever, crackers call them bannies. Bantam is just a fancy word for banny. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. Yeah, y'all let me know in the comments what y'all like about my, or what y'all think about the turkeys and everything. Oops. This wire here, let's go get it. Oh, you're dropping an egg. You're gonna drop that egg out of your pocket. Let me see. We're gonna have to get some turkey nest boxes because we don't have none. I was thinking something like 50-gallon barrels or maybe 5-gallon buckets or something bigger than that. These turkeys are not laying eggs yet, but they will be soon. They will be soon. Hold them eggs in your pocket as you walk. Hold them in your pocket as you walk so we don't lose them. Come on, come on. I don't know, son. Well, I'm having trouble. I can't. Well, come here, Mikey. Hold this camera here a minute.
I'm holding.
All right, hold this camera right here a minute. Here, just hold it right there. Like that. Be still. I gotta lock this gate and I can't do it with that camera in my hand. Just giving you guys an update. We're still alive and well. Got this go cam. This is why this camera was so quiet. When you lock this down, my other camera's broken now, so you can't hear. So I'm not going to close it all the way. You can put them eggs in the house, son, very carefully. We're building more on the house, and y'all can see. And since I hurt my hand, I almost can close it now. It's a little bit bruised. 30 sheets of tin sitting on. Check that out. Isn't that nice? That's fixing to go up. Get some more 2x4s there. Then we'll get all this area cleaned up here and everything, and start on the crocodile exhibit, which is going to be totally badass. Maybe some Chinese alligators in the future and some crocodiles. Brownie and Shadow still doing good out in the rain. It should be 10 minutes, shouldn't it? Yep, Brownie and Shadow. Check them out. Hey, Brown. Still got that winter coat on them. Gonna brush that off. Yeah, this ex-blueberry field. Pretty cleaned up. We're starting some bamboo. Got some collard greens growing. Bees are still going. Got some ant problems around here. Got to get rid of them. Other than that, everything's going good. There's some more hogs down in the lower garden, but I'm not going down there. So, peace, love, and happiness, and all that good shit. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, share my videos, watch my older videos until I make new videos. And somebody please comment and let me know what they think about my Frankenbird. Peace.